Right. Now, many of you don't even know how to find the values of certain trigonometric values like sin 30, cos 60, etc. etc. Now, I will show you some sharp tricks to find the trigonometric values. Before going to that, let us know some basics about trigonometry. The first thing, sin theta. What is sin theta generally? Opposite side by hypotenuse, right? Cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, which is opposite side by adjacent side, right? Before, let me draw a triangle and show you what is opposite side and what is adjacent side. This is 90-degree angle, which is right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, the side opposite to right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. And if we consider this is the angle theta, then the angle opposite to theta will be, the side opposite to theta will be opposite side, and the side which is beside or adjacent beside theta is adjacent side. So through this we got three trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. After that, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. You may write it as a hypotenuse by opposite side. Next, secant theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta, right? And the last trigonometric identity is tan. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta or cos theta by sin theta. If we know these basics, then we can move to find the values of different trigonometric ratios, right, at different angles. Trigonometric ratio and values at different angles: 0, 30, 60, 45. There is 45 in between. 45, 60, 90 degrees. So we need to at least know these values for sin, cos, tan. If we know them, we can take the inverse of them, so that we will be getting the remaining cosecant, secant and cot. So let me first write sin theta. So here the shortcut is, don't do anything, just do this thing. Root over 0 by 4. What is the angle? 0. So 0 by 4. Now root over 1 by 4. Root over 2 by 4. Root over 3 by 4. And root over 4 by 4. If you simplify this, this will be 0. 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. It is 1 by root 2. It is root 3 by 2. And the last one is 4 by 4 is 1. So we got the values of sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is 1. Then coming to cos theta. Cos theta is completely, if right from this side to this side, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So therefore cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. Then coming to tan. Tan theta we have already given. Tan is simply sin by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So it will be 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, root 3, and the last one 1 by 0, which is undefined or infinity, right? If we know this, then we can find the remaining values also. Cosecant theta. So for finding the remaining three trigonometric ratios, we will be doing cosecant is simply 1 by sin theta, secant is 1 by cos theta, and cot is 1 by tan theta. Do this simply. So At 0 degrees, sin theta is 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Then cosecant 30 is 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Then cosecant 45 is root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Then cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Sin 90 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. In the similar fashion, you can write here 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, infinity. Then cot theta is simply 1 by tan theta. So 1 by 0 is infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, and the last is 0. So this is the basic angles and basic values with respect to trigonometric ratios. Thank you.